Class 1 EVS Birds. In this topic, we will learn about food habits of birds, birds and their beaks, feet and claws, different types of birds' nest. Food habits of birds. Birds are living things. All living things need food to live. Birds have only beak. They do not have teeth or tongue. Hummingbirds are nectar-sucking birds. Nectar is a sweet fluid or juice present in the flowers. Eagles are wild bird which eats the flesh of other animals. Birds like parakeet are fruit-eating birds and woodpecker are insect-eating birds. Now let us see more about the beak of different types of birds. The mouth of birds are called as beak. Birds use their beak to eat. The shape of the beak depends upon the type of food they eat. Hummingbird. These birds eat the nectar from the flowers. So they have long and pointed beaks. Birds like eagle, vulture and hawk eat flesh of other birds. So these birds have strong, sharp and hooked beak. They are called as birds of prey. Parrot have curved and hooked beak. This helps them in cracking nuts and fruits. Parrots also use their beak for climbing. Woodpecker has a strong pointed beak. They use their beak to poke holes in hard tree trunks to pull out insects to eat. The beaks of duck are broad and flat with holes on either side of their beak. Duck, goose and few cranes eat fish and insects from muddy water. The muddy water flows out through these holes, leaving the food behind in its beak. Birds like sparrow and pigeon have short and strong beak. They use it for crushing seeds and grains and make it soft before eating. Now let us see about the feet of birds. Birds' feet differs in shape and size depending on their walking, running and swimming. Duck have feet with front toes joined by their skin. That's why their feet appears flat. Such feet are called as webbed feet. Webbed feet work like paddles and help them in swimming. Birds like woodpecker has two toes pointing upwards and two downwards. It helps them to grasp the side of trees and balance themselves while they hammer. Cranes are wading birds who can walk in shallow water. They have long slender legs with spread out toes. These spread out toes help them to walk in water easily. Next, we are going to see about the bird's nest. A nest is a place where they lay eggs. Birds build different types of nest. Cup nest. It is a small and cup-shaped nest. Example, hummingbird. Burrow nest. They are made within the trees or in the ground. Example, owl. Flat nest. It is a large flat nest built in the ground or in the trees. Example, eagle. In this topic, we learnt about food habits of birds, birds and their beaks, feet and claws, and birds' nest. Thank you.